Given that series production began in 2018, Mercedes-Benz eCitaro has been an emphatic driving force for future public mobility for transport. Over 2,500 have been sold to date and is a clear success story for Daimler buses with its Green City Mobility Quest. The eCitaro is a common sight in urban cities in Germany such as Stuttgart, Hamburg, Bonn, Dresden, Bremen, Wiesbaden, Nuremberg, and Mannheim, and has made more robust market penetration in Europe, in countries such as France, Italy, Sweden, Austria, Switzerland, and Poland. Its growing popularity is evidence of its technological advantage and the manner in which it is able to adapt to the changing needs of city transport operators in modern times. The success of the eCitaro is based on continuous development and focus on battery and drivetrain technology. Mercedes-Benz's bus tradition served as a solid basis, and the eCitaro was supported by the highly advanced Citaro platform, Mercedes-Benz's best-selling inner-city bus. It began as an electric bus measuring 12.14 meters in length and featuring a battery up to 243 watt-hours capacity, and expanded into a complete model series with increased flexibility, efficiency, and sustainability. In its base configuration, the eCitaro can have 4 or 6 third-generation NMC battery packs with a cumulative capacity of up to 588 kilowatt-hours, relying on high energy density and long lifetimes. Transport authorities can plan routes more conveniently. The eCitaro model series has subsequently been supplemented by 2 additional versions: the 10.63-meter eCitaro K, which can use narrow inner-city roads with tight maneuvering conditions, and the 18.13-meter articulated eCitaro G, with a maximum of 7 battery packs and 686 kilowatt-hours total capacity. This modularity enables the eCitaro model range to meet small town and city, as well as large city operating conditions. In the coming years, the next step for eCitaro development will be in 2026, when all model series will be equipped with Mercedes-Benz's 4th-generation NMC4 batteries. The technology will deliver increased energy content, increased lifespan, and accelerated charging at up to 300 kilowatts. These advancements will optimize fleet efficiency, reduce downtime, and enable operators to top up at a convenient moment without impacting vehicle availability. Other than the powertrain, the eCitaro also shows considerable emphasis on energy efficiency retention through smart thermal management. Electric buses have a singular efficiency problem in the form of energy consumed to cool or heat the passenger compartment, especially under fluctuating climatic conditions. The high-performance HVAC system of the eCitaro accomplishes this through a 40% increase in energy utilization for heating and cooling of the interior compared to the conventional diesel-powered Citaro. This is done with extremely controlled battery temperature and with the help of a small heat pump system that provides cabin heating. Squeezing energy losses, the eCitaro realizes maximum real-life range, a key priority in electric fleets operated over long city networks. Driver assistance and safety features are also the reason the eCitaro has been so successful. All models boast a sturdy package of smart systems designed to increase driver confidence and protection for pedestrians. These consist of side guard assist and front guard assist, oncoming vehicle and blind spot radar warning systems at the front of the truck, traffic sign assist to help. In addition to these standard systems, the eCitaro can be ordered with a range of advanced safety systems at extra cost. The Preventive Brake Assist 2 is a safety braking system that can detect immovable and movable objects in front on the road. And the MirrorCam system takes the place of conventional side mirrors with aerodynamically designed digital cameras for greater visibility and reduced wind drag. Single eCitaro vehicles come with a 360-degree camera package, and articulated versions have a 270-degree package to deliver wide-angle sight for blind spot removal. Flexibility continues with the eCitaro beyond its drive technology and safety features, with a series of charging packages for different fleet infrastructure. Depot charging or opportunity charging is offered depending on use regimes. The bus's charging socket can be fitted in up to 4 positions to facilitate integration into existing depot systems. Quick charging while terminus stops or for heavy load paths or to reduce turnaround time is possible by the installation of a pantograph or roof rails for charging on the eCitaro. Transportation agencies can opt for electrification according to their own wish without reducing cost-effectiveness with modular construction. The success of the vehicle lies not only in engineering dominance, but also in the intrinsic support system that is provided by Daimler Buses. The company offers turnkey electromobility solutions, such as vehicle delivery, charging station delivery, and depot management systems, making business operations with electric transition easy. Transport operator complexity is eased with a comprehensive solution, and widespread zero-emission fleet adoption in urban environments is accelerated. Aesthetically, the eCitaro conforms to the diesel version's modernistic flair, but adds some subtle touches for its electric persona. Glossy accents, LED light comforts as a standard feature, and aerodynamic forms not only look stylish, but also makes it efficient. Inside, the passenger compartment has been upgraded with comfort, convenience, and quietness, resulting in an elevated driving experience that places electric mobility front and center of the masses. Its silent operation, because of its electrical powertrain, makes it appropriate for high-density areas, which once more translates to more effortless sound reduction enforcement and increased urban sustainability. The growing success of the eCitaro across Europe places a cross-industry trend for electrifying public transport into context. Wiesbaden and Hamburg already incorporated huge fleets of buses into operation, drastically reducing emissions locally while propelling climate targets forward. When governments are calling for cleaner air and transport operators seek low-cost, long-term solutions, the eCitaro is a tried and tested, cost-efficient solution to compliance pressure and sustainability issues. The model's success also reflects the commitment of Daimler Buses to innovation and sustainability. Continuous R&D have made the brand enhance the battery chemistry, charging stations, and heat management, thereby each and every successive model of the eCitaro capable and more efficient. Such unrelenting zeal has developed the bus from a first-generation electric pilot vehicle to a mature mobility solution reliable across Europe. As cities increasingly invest in upgrading public transport infrastructures, the market for such buses as the eCitaro can also be expected to grow at a frenetic rate. Already over 2,500 are in operation and an upgraded version in development. The eCitaro can be expected to set the market standard when it comes to performance, comfort, and sustainability in the electric bus market. Its incorporation of bleeding-edge technology, flexible design, and complete set of safety features make it a green city mobility pioneer, a technology leader that sets the pace for the future mass transit on an international scale.